What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Sony XM6 headphones to Samsung phone or an Android phone. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, open the Play Store and search Sony Sound Connect, this one. That's the app that you need to download. Once you do that, click open, and in the next screen select your profile. So it's asking for location, click no thanks. Now let's wait. Make sure you enable Bluetooth and then click search from Bluetooth settings. So we're gonna click next. As you guys can see, here is the WH-1000XM6. Click on this one, click pair, and that's it. Right now they are connected and you can listen to music with no issues. So as you guys can see, save device. Make sure you save the device. Click add or no thanks. Setup, click OK, click later, continue without restoring, next, allow, click next, and that's it. So now you can use them without any issues. So you can change the settings based on your the way you want. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.